Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Ready to make this Halloween the best one yet? Stick around because I've got some spooktacular tips, tricks, and treats to make your night unforgettable. First up, let's talk costumes. Whether you're going for cute, scary, or downright hilarious, you can't go wrong with a classic. Think vampires, witches, and ghosts. But if you want to stand out, how about a family-themed costume? Imagine the whole gang dressed up as characters from a favorite movie or TV show. You could be the Addams Family, the Avengers, or even the cast of Toy Story. The key is to get creative and have fun with it. Now let's dive into some Halloween decor. Transform your home into a haunted house with just a few simple touches. Spiderwebs, spooky lights, and carved pumpkins can really set the mood. And don't forget the sound effects. A little eerie music or some creaky door noises can go a long way. Speaking of pumpkins, how about some unique carving ideas? Sure, the classic jack-o'-lantern is a staple, but you can also try carving out different shapes or even painting them. Use stencils for intricate designs or go freehand for a more personal touch. And if you're carving with kids, consider using safer tools like pumpkin carving kits designed for little hands. All right, let's move on to the treats. Halloween is all about the candy, right? But this year, why not mix it up with some homemade goodies? You can make spooky cookies, ghostly cupcakes, or even monster-themed Rice Krispie treats. For a healthier option, try apple slices dipped in caramel or yogurt with some festive sprinkles. And for the candy, don't just stick to the usual suspects. Mix in some fun, unexpected treats like candy eyeballs, gummy worms, or even chocolate-covered insects if you're feeling brave. The goal is to surprise and delight your trick-or-treaters. Now let's talk about the big night. Organize a neighborhood costume parade or a spooky scavenger hunt to get everyone involved. Set up a photo booth with Halloween props for some memorable snapshots. And remember, safety first. Use glow sticks or reflective tape to make sure everyone is visible in the dark. Finally, wrap up your Halloween night with a classic movie marathon. Choose age-appropriate films that the whole family can enjoy. Think Hocus Pocus, The Nightmare Before Christmas, or Casper. Grab some popcorn, snuggle up, and enjoy the spookiness from the comfort of your home. So there you have it. Costumes, decorations, treats, and activities to make this Halloween absolutely fantastic. Get planning, get crafting, and most importantly, have a hauntingly good time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun ideas. Happy Halloween, everyone!